despots must flee this tranquil haven of democracy. The blood of our sires which hollows the sun brought freedom from slavery, oppressions run by the might of truth and the grace of God. No longer shall we be hewers of wood. Arise, ye sons of the Baymen's clan, put on your armor, clear the land, drive back the tyrants, let despots flee. Land of the free by the Carib Sea. Nature has blessed thee with wealth untold, o'er mountains and valleys where prairies roll. Our fathers, the Baymen, valiant and bold, drove back the invaders, this heritage hold. From Rio Hondo to Old Sassoon, through Coral Isle over Blue Lagoon, keep watch with the angels, the stars and moon, for freedom comes tomorrow soon. Arise, ye sons of the Baymen's land, put on your armor, clear the land, drive back the tyrants, let despots flee. Land of the free by the